I know I really shouldn't care, but now my wife is growing facial hair. It might sound a little weird, but she has got a full-blown beard. I tell my friends, they laugh at me, but I can't live with a goatee. They say that I should just relax. Why can't they see she needs a wax? Now don't get me wrong, she's still my pet, but she could be the face for Gillette. I'm with her now for the rest of my life. Tell me, Ray, how to shave a wife. Sometimes it makes me want to cry, but my missus looks like Magnum P.I. I close my eyes, but I still know she's got that 5 o'clock shadow. Lately it makes me want to flip when I see her hairy lip. I think it's driving me crazy, living with a bearded lady. I love her nose, I love her hands and feet, but her face could use a tub of Veet. I'm with her now for the rest of my life. Tell me, Ray, how to shave a wife. How to shave my wife.